Hello students! Today I'm going to show you how to use an expanded form to subtract. And the reason I do that is so that you can see what happens when we subtract this number. We can see how place value is important. So here I have 31 and I have minus 19. And you'll notice I have this big long part over here, which is where I'm going to use to expand my numbers. So I'm going to put 31 into expanded form. If you remember, when we put something in expanded form, we need to break it out by how much each of the place values is worth. And then we need to add those together. So I know I have 3 tens right here in my 31. And 3 tens we know is equal to 30. 10, 20, 30. 3 tens is equal to 30. And now I need to add that to however many ones I have in 31. Well, here's my ones place. And I have 1, 1, and of course 1 is equal to 1. So I have 30 plus 1, which equals my 31. I'm going to do the same thing with my 19. I'm going to make an equation here. I have 19, so I have 110, and 110 is equal to 10. There's my 110, and then I'm going to go here to my ones place, and I have 9 ones. So I'm going to make that. Here I'm going to add it to my 10, and 9 ones, of course, is equal to 9. So now I'm ready to subtract. I have taken these numbers, 31 and 19, and I've broken them into place values. So I'm going to start in the ones place. Just like when we added, we always start in the ones place. So I'm going to start subtracting. I have 1, 1, and I need to subtract 9. Well, I can't do that. Clearly, if I have only 1, I can't subtract 9. So I'm going to need to get some more ones from somewhere. And when we added, when we had too many ones here, we took a group of 10 ones and put them into the tens place. We made a new 10. When we subtract, we have to go the other direction. We have to take the tens and we need to move some over to the ones place. So I'm going to come to the tens place, and I'm going to take my 3 tens or my 30, and I'm going to take away a 10. Well, when I take away 10 from 30, that leaves me with 20. I'm going to rewrite that. So now I don't have 3 tens or 30, I have 2 tens or 20. Now, I don't just get rid of them, I have to move them over here. So the 10, I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to put that up here, but actually, I have a problem. I don't have 10. I had 10, but I need to erase that 0 because I already had 1, 1 here. So instead of 10 ones, I now have 11 ones. So I brought over 10 ones, but I already had 1, 1 here, remember from my 31? So now I have 11 ones and I don't have 1, 1 anymore. I took 10 from here and I added it to the 1 that I had here, and now I have 11 ones. Now I'm ready to subtract. So I can take 11 minus 9, and that's going to give me 2. If you're not sure, you can count up from 9, 9, 10, 11, and that will give you 2. Now I need to go to my tens place. I have 2 tens, which is 20, and I need to take away 1 10 or 10. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Now remember, this is an expanded form, so I need to add these two together to get my final answer. My final answer will be 10 plus 2, or 12. So 31 minus 19, 31 minus 19 is going to be the same as 12. Hope that helps.